Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, we are going to break down is AMC a buy at $40 a share. Now, it recently dipped below 40 at around $37, and were we able to scoop up some shares below 40? Is it still a good buying opportunity? And where do I see it in the near future? All that and more coming right up. If you guys aren't part of our team's Discord, it's the first link in the description. I highly suggest you guys go join it. We give daily watch lists, what we're trading, what we're buying, what we're selling, trading plans, any questions you have on stocks, we answer them. So hopefully I'll see you guys in there. Again, that's the first link in the description. Alrighty, so is AMC a good buying opportunity? Now, personally, I like it. Now, if you guys are in our team's Discord or follow our Instagram, we've already broke it down, but I'm going to break it down in video format so you guys can hear what my trading plan is. And how I'm going about the stock and why I see so much value in it. So obviously AMC is a Wall Street Bets hype stock. The stock's been around for a little while, but it's currently presenting a pretty good buying opportunity. Let me explain. Now, if I clear my drawing set here, so let's talk about the MACD lines crossing. So every time the MACD lines cross in this scenario and the RSI is oversold, again, this is a fairly common swing trading strategy. When the MACD lines are crossing and the RSI is oversold, it generally deems it's a good buying opportunity. Now, every single time this has happened, so for example, has been now, was when it dipped below $30 a share and was a really good buying opportunity right before earnings, right here at $30 a share, and then right here. Now, out of those 4 times, 3 of them deemed really good buying opportunities. This one was an outlier. But as of now, it is below the 180-day simple moving average, showing it's a possible good buying opportunity. The RSI lines were oversold, but have since recovered, showing a really strong push to the upside. Now, what I want to see is a break and hold of the 180-day simple moving average and breaking above this 9 exponential moving average line right here. Now, another thing is whole numbers can act as either support and or resistance lines, and whole numbers in 10s, 20s, 30s, 100s, even better. What I mean by that is, yes, $41 can act as a good support and or resistance line, but $40 is even better because it's an even whole number, a 10 increment. 10 increments generally deemed really good support and or resistance lines. Obviously, the break below 30 was a really good dip buy opportunity. We actually traded it, barely dipped below 30, and then skyrocketed up to $55 a few weeks later. Now, as of now, it's dipping below 40 currently. It's testing that $40 support line. It's already broken above it, so we already know it's got strong enough momentum, but it's since pulling on back. So what we want to do is see if enough buyers buy this dip and squeeze up to $40.50, $41, and so on. So right now I am buying. My average is $39 a share. I'm looking to add more for a max of about 1,000 shares. Now, where do I plan on selling it, assuming this trade goes perfectly? Well, if we go to the screenshot I shared in the team's Discord, in the Discord I have lines to show my price targets by heading to the chart. This is what my price targets are. First is a break of $44. As you can see, it was a good support line last week. We're now seeing if it's a potential resistance line and get in the way of our trade. And then we'd also be up over 10% on the stock, so it's a really good opportunity to potentially sell some and realize some of our gains. Now, the second one is a break of $48. Obviously, it had some resistance here for quite a while, right here, and right here. $48 tends to be a very good resistance line for AMC. Not sure why, but that is one that we're watching. That's a level that we are watching, and then we'd be up over 20% on the stock. Now, the final one is a complete bullish engulfing move, swallowing this whole pullback and breaking the high of the month, squeezing up to $52.79, and the squeeze up to $53. That is my last price target for the stock. Again, you want to average in and average out of positions to mitigate your risk. So we are buying multiple times to average in, and we also plan on selling multiple times, as you can see on the screen here. But we can't talk about where we're going to sell for profit if we don't talk about where we plan on cutting our losses. Because obviously, this is not an amazing long-term swing trade hold. This is a hype stock. There's a lot of bag holders on the stock. So where do we plan on cutting risk if the trade goes south? Well, in every single video we talk about winning ratios, a minimum 2-to-1 ratio. So if we want to have a minimum 10% gain, we need to have at least a 5% risk. So where I plan on cutting losses, if it starts to make lower lows. Now currently the low is 37, like 69, 37.70. If it breaks below 37.70, 37.50, and then 37.40 is where I'll have my stop loss set. Hypothetically, if it does not continue this trend up, Really hopeful for the stock. Really excited to follow up with it. Again, I bought the dip at $39. If it goes to 38, I'll probably add to my position. And I'm looking for a profitable trade as always. I know you guys like these swing trading videos because the last two were absolute money. We talked about ticker symbol BROS at $40, since going up to $62. Make sure you watch it if you haven't. And we talked about Rocket Labs when it was at $14 and it ripped all the way up to $21 a share. So hopefully you guys can take advantage of this swing trade opportunity. I'm sure you've heard of AMC. I'm sure you've probably even traded it. But if you guys got something out of this video, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any more awesome swing trading opportunities. But other than that, guys, I will see you in the very next video.